grand state of Maine, proudly we sing to tell your glories to the land, to shout your praises till the echoes ring. Should fate unkind send us to Rome, the scent of the fragrant pines, the tang of the salty sea will call us home.
This is a national alert for the country of Maine and our ally the country of California. All broadcast and cable systems within the country of Maine will follow this alert according to the law.
Esta es una alerta nacional para el país de Maine, y nuestro ally el país de California. Todos los sistemas de transmisión y cable dentro del país de Maine seguirán esta alerta de acuerdo con la ley.
At 6 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, a star now known as VR 6637c has exploded UV rays toward Earth. Please stand by for a message from FASA, or the Florida Aeronautics and Space Administration, with the country of Florida himself.
This is the country of Florida speaking from Miami, my national capital. We are expecting a supernova in EAS, Florida. Do not outside due to the UV rays from the sun. Stay indoors. Wear as many clothes as possible.